In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transaction on Sendwave in 2025. Whether it's a simple mistake or a change of heart after sending money, it's essential to know how you can halt that transfer. So, let's dive right into the steps to help you manage your transactions more effectively. To begin, you'll want to open the Sendwave app on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, ensure that you have your login credentials ready because you'll need to access your account to proceed. Once you've logged into Sendwave, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find all the recent transactions that you've made. It's important to have this overview because the transaction you wish to cancel should be visibly listed alongside others. Now, find the specific transaction that you want to cancel. When you locate it, check for a cancellation option right there. If the option to cancel is present, simply select it. This direct method is often the most straightforward, as it doesn't involve any intermediaries. It allows you to immediately halt the transaction and revert any processes already underway. However, if you're unable to see the cancel button or option next to your transaction, don't worry. In the absence of a direct cancel button, your next step would be to reach out to Sendwave's support team. To do this, look for the support tab in the app. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. The support section of the app is tailored to help you resolve issues and get assistance with transactions. Now in the support section, you'll encounter an option that says Chat with us. When you click on this, you'll be connected with a representative from Sendwave's customer service team. Engaging with them via the chat feature means you can explain your situation clearly. Make sure to provide them with details about the transaction, such as the amount, the recipient, and any other necessary information they may require to assist you efficiently. The friendly and professional team is usually quick to respond and help guide you through the cancellation process if it cannot be directly accessed by you. These are the steps you need to follow to cancel a transaction on Sendwave. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check your transaction details before proceeding in the future to avoid such issues. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident navigating through Sendwave's cancellation process. If you have further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful how-to guides.